regarding Nemesis to follow.
By order of the Phalanx, as you may or may not be aware, Nemesis is closing due to her abnormal behavior. Today, as our investigation begins, we can assure you we have our most experienced team involved. Nemesis is a complex beast, and it's in our interest to protect her well-being. I'm sure you'll join me in remembering what's been an iconic presence in many of our lives. For now, though, we must say, good night, Nemesis. We'll be taking no further questions.
You join me live from Alton Towers Resort, where I can confirm Nemesis, one of the world's most famous roller coasters, is closed. For those of you who aren't aware, Nemesis has been contained for over 28 years by secret organisation, the Phalanx. As of today, however, due to her abnormal behaviour, the Phalanx have closed Nemesis and started their investigation. Kate Cox, lead scientist for the Phalanx, has yet to comment. And any information we do have came from a recent public announcement from the Phalanx. Today,
as our investigation begins, we can assure you we have our most experienced team involved. For now, though, we must say, good night, Nemesis.
Speculation mounts that the abnormal behaviour of Nemesis coincides with the recruitment of new head of the Phalanx, John Dalton. And allegations of inside corruption continue to circulate, hinting there could be more to this story than meets the eye. For now, that's it from me, live from Alton Towers Resort.
You are under surveillance. You are under surveillance. You are under surveillance. You are under surveillance. You are under surveillance.
Come to the attention of the Phalanx that false information has been circulating regarding our investigation into Nemesis. We would like to reassure the public by inviting you to view our latest discovery. Find out more about how we are creating a secure future for generations to come at our newly recommissioned Phalanx Research Facility, which will be officially reopened on the morning of the 27th of May. We look forward to it with great anticipation.
It has come to our attention that false information has been shared regarding our investigation into Nemesis. We assure you that our extensive and ongoing tests prove that she poses no danger to the public. And as a gesture of our unshakable confidence, we invite you to view our latest discovery and to learn more about how we are creating a secure future for generations to come at the newly recommissioned Phalanx Research Facility. We apologize for that brief interruption. I can assure you that everything is as it should be and is completely under control. And without further ado, it gives me great pride to announce the Phalanx Research Facility open. Please continue and enter as usual, and I repeat once again, everything is completely under control. Thank you.
Enjoy your day, enjoy the facility. Thank you for coming.
Following recent and unforeseen events at the facility, we would like to further reassure the public by inviting you to view our latest discovery. Find out more about how we're creating a secure future for generations to come at the newly recommissioned Phalanx Research Facility. We look forward to seeing you with great anticipation. Nemesis is closing due to her abnormal behavior. The false information has been circulated.
I can assure you that everything is as it should be and is completely under control.
Phalanx Experiment 199-42024. Nemesis System Check. Stable. Status. Dormant. Genome modification energized. Nemesis DNA extraction engaged. Alert. High pressure. Alert. High pressure. Warning. Containment breach. Warning. Containment breach.
Someone cover my brake for me, I'm starving.
Nemesis closed in November 2022 by order of the Phalanx. They told us everything was under control. There appears to be a lot of buzz in the surroundings, with teams working excessively to make sure everything is categorised correctly and that it's a safe place for us all to be. It appears now that Nemesis has been angered. People have travelled from across the globe to catch a glimpse of her new awakened state. A night watchman has gone missing 2 nights ago. There are missing posters all around Forbidden Valley. The Phalanx have refused to comment on this situation. As you can see, Nemesis is well and truly back with the vengeance.